In this video, I will show you how to create a professional company profile in Canva. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From the available design options, select Website. Next, use the search bar to search for Company Profile. Canva will display a wide range of professionally designed templates. Browse through the available options and choose the template that best matches your company's style and branding. Once the template opens, start customizing it by replacing the sample content with your own business information. Add your company name, logo, mission, services, achievements, team details, contact information, and any other sections you want to include. You can also customize the colors, fonts, images, and layout to match your brand identity. After you've finished editing your company profile, click the Share button in the top right corner. From there, you can either publish it as a website or download it as a PDF, PNG, or another format, depending on how you want to share it. That's it! This is how you can create a professional company profile in Canva. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.